How do I find the best immigration lawyer near me? Hi everyone, I'm attorney Hashim Jeelani, principal at Jeelani Law Firm. Over the last 10 years, Jeelani Law Firm has successfully filed thousands of immigration cases with agencies throughout the United States and overseas. Assuming you don't have a referral from a trusted friend or a relative, or even if you do, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and hire the right attorney or law firm for your immigration matter. Here are the things you need to look for during your search for an immigration attorney to handle your case. Number 1, is the attorney a solo practitioner, or do they have additional attorneys and paralegals helping them? This is a very important consideration as it impacts your ability to communicate with the law firm on your case. Many attorneys do not hire the help in the form of paralegals and associate attorneys that they need. This is either due to poor business management, lack of enough business to hire staff, or perhaps the attorney is new to practice and cannot afford help just yet. I'm certainly not saying you should not hire a solo practitioner. However, you need to take into consideration that if the attorney does not have help, no one will be answering the phones, responding to emails, or calling you back while the attorney is handling work such as being in court, at USCIS, working on another case, handling billing or administrative issues, going to the post office, or even speaking with another client. This can often create delays in communication between yourself and the attorney. And worse, if the attorney is overwhelmed trying to wear all of the many hats, your case may not get the attention and urgency it deserves. Number 2, does the attorney or law firm practice immigration exclusively, or do they handle other case types as well? Many attorneys choose to handle various areas of law, such as divorce law, criminal defense, personal injury, and immigration law, to name a few. There's certainly nothing unlawful about this sort of mixed or general practice. However, you would be correct in assuming that if the attorney or law firm handles a variety of cases and they don't have multiple attorneys, it is unlikely they have the time or capacity to stay abreast of changes in immigration practice and procedure, which can change very rapidly. I can certainly attest to the complexities of the practice of immigration law. At our firm, we have weekly and monthly briefings by our attorneys and paralegals as to certain trends, changes, and developments of policy and procedures by USCIS and other agencies that significantly relate to our clients' cases. We feel this is necessary to ensure our clients are getting the best representation they can get. Additionally, some attorneys who handle multiple areas of law learn how to complete one or two particular immigration filing types, without really understanding the nuances and complexities that may be different from case to case in immigration law. We've seen this many times where attorneys that didn't exclusively handle immigration cases mishandled a matter or made a fatal error in strategy in their clients' cases. For this reason, I would strongly suggest going with a firm that practices exclusively in the area of immigration law. Number 3, does the attorney or law firm have real online reviews? Online reviews can be a great place to be able to get a feel for the law firm or lawyer you are considering hiring. However, beware of fake reviews. For example, our firm handles roughly 1,200 cases on a yearly basis, and we have existed nationally for over 10 years. Yet, our online profiles have significantly fewer reviews by clients. Some office profiles have less than 100 reviews. Contrast this with attorneys or law firms that have been around only a couple of years and have 500 plus reviews. A quick glance at the reviews and you'll be able to see that these were paid or fake reviews that were not written by real clients. You'll see very few of these reviews go into details of their cases or even speak of the case type that was handled. The truth is, it is tough to get reviews from clients. Once they've won their case, they're grateful, but they move on to the next issue in their life and often forget or don't make time to give reviews. So make sure you do your research on the firm or attorney online. Of course, when you do come across bad reviews, consider the reviews in the accumulative, as some competitors, former employees, or former clients may unfairly and dishonestly review the attorney or law firm. So use your best judgment here. Number 4, does the attorney have strong advertising and an online presence? Now, having great advertising or a strong online presence doesn't necessarily mean the attorney or law firm is the best. However, it does indicate that the law firm or attorney has the funds to invest in strong advertising and search engine optimization. More than likely, these funds were gained through the firm having good flow of business. Also, keep in mind that Google or other search engines choose the articles and content written by firms to appear at the top of your search based on generally what has been deemed relevant and informative by other people that do similar searches on the topic. At the very least, you know that someone at the firm you found online knows the topic you were searching well enough to have written about it. Again, do your research here. Number 5, is the law firm able to make an attorney available to attend your interview or court hearing? In many cases, government agencies such as USCIS or the immigration courts will schedule a hearing or an interview at a local office near you. You'll need to make sure the law firm you hire has an attorney available to represent you at the hearing or interview if needed. Again, hiring an attorney just because they are nearby does not mean they'll be available on the day your case is scheduled. It could very well be that they're booked on that day, on vacation, or not available, and you'll either have to attend the hearing or interview yourself or reschedule, which could set you back months. It's not necessary that the lawyer you hire have an office in your city or state. Immigration law is a federal practice, so any immigration attorney can represent you no matter what state they are licensed in or where you live. However, if you do decide to hire a firm or attorney outside of your city or state, make sure they have enough attorneys on staff to be able to send an attorney to represent you in your local office. For example, although our firm has offices in many states, we will fly our attorneys to cover hearings and interviews even in those states where we do not have an office. If you have any questions specific to your case or need more information, call our office to schedule a phone consultation with a senior attorney at Jeelani Law Firm. Thanks for watching this video. I'm attorney Hashim Jeelani. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and bell buttons to be notified every time I upload a new video.